Are you currently working as a manual or automation tester? If so, expanding your skills to include web services and API testing can significantly enhance your career prospects. Websites like bookmyshow.com and makemytrip.com rely heavily on robust web services at the back end. By mastering API testing, you'll unlock countless new opportunities in the tech industry. I'm excited to invite you to a 3-day live bootcamp focused on API testing conducted by Amol. In this bootcamp, you'll learn everything you need to know about web services and how to test them using tools like SoapUI and Postman. But that's not all. We are also offering 3 exclusive bonuses, absolutely free. A comprehensive guide to installing real-time projects on your local machine for REST services. An in-depth guide to the Rest Assured library. An introduction to the Karate framework. This 3-day workshop is usually priced at 1,999 rupees, but today, you can enroll for just 199 only. Don't miss out on this chance to gain invaluable knowledge in web services and API testing. Click the link below to enroll now.